To begin row 9, I'm going to change color, make a slip knot, and 2 chains. I'm going to make a 4 double crochet popcorn in any of the V stitches of row 8. It doesn't make a difference which one. First double crochet, 2, 3, 4. Close the popcorn. Three chains. One more popcorn in the same space. One, 2, 3, 4 double crochets. Close the popcorn. Chain 9. Repeat 2 popcorns in the next V stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets. Close the popcorn. Chain 3. One more popcorn in the same space. Double crochet. 2, 3, 4. Close the popcorn. Chain 9. And repeat. That is going to be the whole repetition for this row. I'm going to make popcorn, 3 chain popcorn in the V stitch. Chain 9 and repeat. That's the whole repetition for this row. Go to the next V stitch. Make a 4 double crochet popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the popcorn. Chain 3. One more popcorn. I'm going to move my stitches to make space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the popcorn. Chain 9. Then repeat. That's the whole repetition. So continue and see you at the end of the row. I'm here at the end of row 9. I made my last 9 chains. I'm now going to look for the first double crochet I made at the beginning of the row. Insert my hook and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 for security and cut. I'm going to count my stitches. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sets of popcorn, 3 chains and popcorn in every V stitch of previous row, and I have 12 chain 9 spaces separating the set of popcorns. This is the end of row 9. To begin row 10, I'm going to change to a new color. Make a slip knot, chain 2. As I told you before, this is optional. This is how I join my thread. In any of the chain 3 spaces, in the middle of the popcorns, I'm going to make a double crochet. Chain 15. double crochet in the same space. I have a double crochet 15 chains and double crochet in the same chain 3 space. Chain 4, half double crochet in the next chain space right here. Half double crochet in the same space. I have 2 half double crochets. Make a picot of 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in the first chain. 2 half double crochets in the same space. 1, 2. Chain 4. I completed the stitches that are going to be a set. From here to here, I have 4 chains, 2 half double crochets, a picot, 2 half double crochets, and 4 chains. I'm now going to begin the stitches that go in the middle of the popcorns. Double crochet in the chain 3 space. Chain 15. Double crochet in the same space. So I just repeated the stitches that go in the middle of the popcorns as I made here. I'm going to show you one more repetition of the stitches that go in between the popcorns and the stitches that go in the middle of each popcorns. I begin the repetition. Chain 4, 2 half double crochets in the chain 9 space of previous row. 1, 2. A popcorn, 3 chains and single crochet in the first chain. 2 half double crochets. 1, 2. Chain 4. I finished my repetitions that go from here to here. I'm now going to do the repetitions that go here. Double crochet in the chain 3 space. 15 chains. 15. Double crochet in the same space. So I completed another repetition of the stitch that goes on the middle of the popcorns. Those are all the stitches that you're going to work all around. Continue with those repetitions and see you at the end of the row. I'm here at the end of row 10. I made my last 4 chains. I am now going to look for the double crochet I made at the beginning and make a slip stitch. And close. I'm going to go over the stitches so I don't get you confused. If you remember, I started with a double crochet, chain 15 and double crochet in the chain 3 space in between the popcorns. Then I went to this set from here to here. I have 4 chains, 2 half double crochets, picot, 2 half double crochets, and 4 chains. Then I went to repeat these stitches right here. So I have 12 sets of this and 12 sets of the stitches that go here. This is the end of row 10. To begin row 11, I'm going to insert my hook in the chain 15 space and make a slip stitch. Chain 1, 19 single crochets in the chain 15 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, I have 19 single crochets inside the 15 chain space. I'm now going to chain 1, single crochet in the chain 4 space right here. Chain 6. Single crochet in the next chain 4 space. Chain 1. 19 single crochets in the next chain 15 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 single crochets in the chain 15 space. Now I'm going to show you the repetition of the stitches that go between each set of 19 single crochets. They start with the chain 1, single crochet, chain 6, single crochet, chain 1. That's what I'm going to repeat right now. Just finish the 19 single crochets. Now begin the repeat that goes in between with 1 chain, single crochet in the next chain 4 space, chain 6, single crochet in the next chain 4 space, chain 1. I finished the repetition from the chain 1 to the last chain 1. Now I'm going to repeat the 19 single crochets. I'm going to repeat it just one more time, okay? 19 single crochets in the chain 15 space. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I finished my 19 single crochets. I'm going to begin the repeat that goes in between the 19 and the 19. I begin with chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 4 space, chain 6, single crochet in the next chain 4 space, chain 1. I completed the repetition. So continue with the repetitions and see you at the end of the row. I'm here at the end of row 11. I'm going to go over the stitches. I have 19 single crochet in every chain 15 space of previous row times 12. And in between the 19 single crochet and the next 19 single crochet, the stitches are chain 1, single crochet, 6 chains, single crochet, chain 1, and then repeat the 19. I made my last chain. I'm going to go to the chain 1 that I made at the beginning and make a slip stitch and close. This is the end of row 11. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.